what's up, homie? So now we're going to hunt a senior high student. Let's go. Miss Janet Montarde and
Eloisa.
I like that. So now interviews. First question, Miss, is what's the difference between hearing and listening?
So, for me, like, my kuan lang kay, ang listening is kanang, it's like hearing, but kanang imong gi-process, ang imong na dunggan sa imong mind. But ang hearing is like, imo ra siyang gipadungog, like, nakahira ka, but without processing the kanang imong napaminawan.
I see, I see, I see, I see. So the second question is, what's your opinion about the song titled "Listen to Your Heart" by Roxy?
For my opinion, like, kuan, if, isa pwede na tayo.
A few moments later.
Question is, what's your opinion about the song titled "Listen to Your Heart" by Roxy?
So, the Listen to Your Heart is a kanang romance, kanang song, a ballad song, pero kanang ang girl is like murag na siya i-decision nga kanang nasa dapat ano na yan?
2 hours later.
Second question is, what's your opinion about the song titled "Listen to Your Heart" by Roxy?
My opinion kay kanang like ang girl kay murag dapat siya mag-listen sa first iyang heart before doing hasty decision sa towards a boy.
Wow naman! Wow!
The follow-up question is, as a future seafarer, which one do you prefer, work or love?
Pwede naman siya both work and love, but kanang you need to control good like time management nga na like okay ra nimo siya priority ang work niya kasama ang love.
That's all. Thank you.